Keeping your garden neat and healthy requires precision tools that make trimming high branches safer, faster, and more comfortable daily. Today, we're going over the best telescopic tree pruner from our top picks. Reach, sharp blades, lightweight design, and reliable control for effortless seasonal maintenance tasks. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. VEVOR 27-foot telescopic tree pruner. The VEVOR 27-foot telescopic tree pruner is built for homeowners and professionals who need serious reach without climbing ladders. With 8 adjustable poles extending from 7.3 to an impressive 27 feet, this manual pole saw easily handles tall tree branches while also converting into a handheld saw for low pruning tasks. The double lock joint system is one of its standout features, providing a solid and secure connection between sections so the pole doesn't wobble or flex during use. At 13 pounds, it's lighter than many comparable long-reach pole saws, making extended trimming sessions more manageable and less fatiguing. The carbon steel blade is another strong point. It's thick, rust-resistant, and coated with Teflon to reduce friction and sap buildup. The top and bottom hook knives are especially useful for removing twigs or freeing stuck branches mid-cut, which improves both efficiency and safety. In addition to the saw blade, VEVOR includes MN steel scissors with a durable nylon rope and pulley system, allowing you to choose between sawing or snipping depending on branch size. This flexibility makes the pruner suitable for everything from fine trimming to heavier cutting. Overall, the VEVOR 27-foot telescopic tree pruner delivers excellent reach, durability, and versatility, making it a reliable choice for large yards, orchards, or regular tree maintenance tasks.
Number 2. Fiskars Grind Telescopic Tree Pruner. The Fiskars Grind Telescopic Tree Pruner is an excellent option for users who value lightweight design and cutting efficiency. Extending from 7.9 to 12 feet, it offers enough reach for most residential pruning needs while remaining easy to control. Weighing under 5 pounds, the aluminum pole significantly reduces arm fatigue, allowing longer working sessions without strain. Fiskars' chain drive gearing system is a major highlight, delivering up to 3 times more cutting power compared to standard pruners, which makes slicing through thicker branches feel smooth and controlled. The low-friction blade coating prevents sap and debris from sticking, helping the blades stay clean and sharp over time. A secure double locking mechanism ensures the pole remains firmly extended during use, enhancing safety and precision. The steel blades are built for durability and retain their sharpness even after heavy use, reflecting Fiskars' reputation for long-lasting garden tools.
Number 3. GARTOL Lightweight Telescopic Tree Pruner. The GARTOL Lightweight Telescopic Tree Pruner is designed with convenience and user comfort in mind, making it a great choice for casual gardeners and home users. Its extendable pole ranges from 3.67 to 5.45 feet, providing additional reach to safely trim branches, hedges, and climbers up to around 10 feet high without ladders. One of its most appealing features is the rotating cutter head, which allows flexible positioning and easier access to awkward angles, reducing strain and improving control. The cut and hold system is especially practical for harvesting fruits, vegetables, or flowers, as it securely grips cuttings and prevents them from falling to the ground or into hard-to-reach areas. This feature saves time and minimizes cleanup while also improving safety. The lightweight aluminum pole, combined with a rubberized handle and sponge grip support, ensures comfortable handling even during longer pruning sessions. The razor-sharp blade delivers clean cuts, which is important for maintaining plant health.
Number 4. LAANPOLE 26 feet Telescopic Tree Pruner. The LAANPOLE 26 feet Telescopic Tree Pruner is a versatile and robust tool designed for handling a wide range of pruning tasks. Featuring a telescoping aluminum pole adjustable from 5 to 20 feet, it allows users to easily reach high branches, while still being effective for trimming shrubs and lower tree trunks. The stable lock design ensures the pole remains firm and secure during use, reducing shaking and enhancing safety when cutting overhead. Despite its strong construction, the lightweight design helps minimize fatigue, making it suitable for longer trimming sessions. The carbon steel blade is precision ground and specially coated to resist corrosion and wear, ensuring long-term sharpness and reliable performance. Its hook knife design is particularly useful for removing tangled or stubborn branches, improving overall cutting efficiency. The anti-slip insulating grip provides excellent control, even in wet conditions, while the reinforced screw connection between the saw head and pole prevents loosening during operation.
Number 5. MuatCtarom 1000 Watt Telescopic Tree Pruner. The MuatCtarom 1000 Watt Telescopic Tree Pruner stands out as a powerful electric solution for efficient and effortless pruning. Equipped with a brushless copper motor, it delivers high cutting power and speed, easily handling branches up to 50 millimeters in diameter. The detachable pole system allows pruning heights of up to 13 feet, eliminating the need for ladders and improving safety. With 3 adjustable cutting openings and an LCD display, users can precisely control cutting size, monitor battery life, and track usage in real time. The inclusion of 2 21-volt 2000 mAh batteries ensures extended runtime of 4 to 8 hours, making it suitable for larger pruning jobs without frequent recharging. This tool can be used both as a handheld pruner for low shrubs and with an extension rod for high branches, offering excellent versatility. Activation and operation are straightforward, even for beginners, thanks to its intuitive trigger system. That wraps up the top 5 best telescopic tree pruners. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.